Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to create a family in Steam. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already installed the application and logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. Now let's simply look at how to create a family. At the top left, you can see the Steam button right here. Simply click on it. And from here, all you guys have to do is go to settings. And guys, this is it. This is the page we are looking for, that is Steam settings. And right here, you can see something called as family. Click on it right now. And guys, this is it. Simply click on this create or join a Steam family button right here. Once you do that, you will be redirected to this page. Do note from here you can join a family, but right now, all we want to do is create one. So I'm gonna click on this button right here. It's gonna ask me to enter my family name. I'm gonna enter it right here. Once you've done that, simply hit on create. And guys, that is it. Once you hit on create, simply follow along the prompts and you will have created your Steam family. That is it guys. That's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.